One of the easiest ways to propagate your plant is by separation, and that's what we're going to do today. We have this variegated monkey grass, and all you have to do is look down through the plant here and find a group of it together. There'll be a little bit of a separation down in it. Take your knife and cut a chunk out like that. And see, this is what I mean. You can see the separation when you pull it back. So right through here is where you want to cut. And then you may find another spot right through here that you can cut and get even more plants from it. And take you a pot and stick down in there and cover it real good with the soil. And now you have a new plant. We have several of them here. We have 3 bunches that we'll need to do. So just get you a group, find your way through there. And it doesn't matter if one piece is on one. And then when you get them cut, you'll see there's a group here. We can separate that one again. And with these roots, is all you have to do. And just stick it down into your new soil and cover it real good. Just like that. So in just a matter of no time, we went from one big group to now we have 3 new plants. So we're just gonna keep going through here and seeing how many we can get. Now we got these separated. We're just gonna continue to pot these up. And once we get these all potted up, we'll go to our next step. We had 3 groups that we dug up. Now we got 37 new plants for our landscape. So the next thing that you'll want to do is put a little bit of fertilizer in here for them. This soil that I'm using is a combination of soil conditioner, which is nothing but ground up pine bark, and I mix some of my compost that I make with it. So we're going to give it a little extra nutrients. Well, we got them under the irrigation system. They'll get watered in real good. They'll, before it gets real cold, they'll have plenty of time to root in before they really start growing. And you can see we already got some of the other plants propagated. So now we're ready for spring to come around. The Stella d'Allure lilies, they separate very well. We've got several of them here, and I've got about 8 or 9 huge clumps that I've got to separate, which we'll probably get 250 or so out of that. And we're expanding this landscape, so we're definitely going to be needing a lot of them. And if you see right back here in the hoop house, this is all the hydrangeas that we have propagated this year. We have the Macrophylla hydrangea, which is the blue or the pink. We have some big leaf hydrangea, a lot of the limelight hydrangeas, oak leaf hydrangeas, the ruby slippers, because my goal is to make our landscape absolutely look like a botanical garden. And the only way you can do that, or at least the only way I can do it, is be able to propagate these plants, because they are very expensive if you go and buy it. All right, this process works with hostas, lilies, especially the. So I'm going to encourage you to get out there, propagate your plants. No sense of buying plants that you already own, especially as easy as they are to separate. If you dig them up, be able to separate them and propagate them that way. That is a very efficient way. And start your own nursery so you can expand your landscape. And if you grow it, you know it.